Infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
Hi there, welcome to Infinity Ahzee channel.
Hi guys, I'm Resvi. Now I am telling about night activities. At night, completing my homework, I enjoy television with my family members. Next, all of my family members have to supper together. After that, I go to my personal room and join my personal job. Next, I go to my bed and that's all. Bye.
Thank you so much for joining us. Hope to see you next. Please take it easy and have a good time. Bye bye.